Hey, what's up guys, it's the Cruising Casper, and today I have a brand new video coming at you with the 4 best altcoins that you guys all should get into if you want to be a millionaire by the end of 2022. But before we get into this video, please like and subscribe on this video. It really would mean a lot, and let's get right into it, guys. So today the Bitcoin chart is looking pretty poopy. I can't even lie. We're down 10%, which is terrible for the day. And we're seeing a nice little bearish wick right over here, and we've broken the resistance that we were bouncing off of for so long now. And honestly guys, I think we are going into a bear market. I think we are going to go to around the 35k to 32k range, and then we might just sit around there, and then we might bounce off. But most positively speaking, I'm thinking that all the highs were reached. It's ultimately just it broke the resistance, so we're looking for a down, or we're looking to go into a downwards trend here, guys. So that isn't bad. A downwards trend is just good for you guys, and if anything, it's even better just to buy these altcoins. So if anything, let's get right into it. So the first altcoin that I want to start you guys is with Ufo Gaming. Ufo Gaming is one of the best cryptos that you guys can get yourselves into right now, and pretty much I talked about it in a previous video, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna go fully into depth with it, but it's a play to earn metaverse where they're trying to take the world by storm by using their Ufo Gaming as their corner piece. They're going to be a gaming blockchain. They're going to collaborate with gaming companies, yada yada. But one of the main reasons why I want to talk to them about, or why I want to talk about them today, is that the Sun.uk released a article yesterday about the Ufo Gaming, and you guys might not see how important this is, but this is very massive news if you are in the Ufo Gaming ecosystem, because this ultimately will bring price upwards. And their article is just pretty much talking about UFO, what is UFO gaming, how to make money in it, yada yada. So the article states that players of UFO can create their own clan, they can trade virtually, and they can buy and trade virtual land in their new dark metaverse. So this is how it works, if you guys are wondering. I'm just gonna go a brief little overview on this article that they posted. And to mint your own territory, you need 3 rare NFTs. And that's what you're gonna use to get the territories. They are trying to promote their new dark metaverse, and this is genuinely just gonna be a very good project to get into. They also have, or how to play. They're incorporating 2 type of token systems. Firstly, the UFO governance token, which is the UFO Gaming normal, and then there will be a UOP token that will serve as a secondary, or a second token you can earn from completing in-game quests, tournaments, and future PvP battles. And they currently haven't released the PvP mode, so once that comes out, it's gonna be crazy. And if you guys are wondering how do you play, like how to play UFO, a player will run their virtual land auctions where users can purchase their own piece of land on the planet and earn revenue by completing in-game tasks. So meaning you buy a plot of land, and around that plot of land you can go explore, you can kill other things, you can create stuff in that land, yada yada. And like I said, land can be then used to build infrastructure for the planet, such as an NFT store, collection galleries, weapon stores, and buy and sell NFTs. Pretty much meaning you can create whatever you want. You can create a weapon store if you want. You can create an NFT store. You can show off all your prized NFTs that you've collected playing the game and sell them for a revenue and for a profit. So the room for growth for this project is absolutely massive, and I would really recommend getting into it, guys. So this is UFO Gaming's, this is their Twitter. They currently have 130k followers. They were at 127 the other day, so they're slowly getting up there. They recently just, oh, I didn't even see this. Horizon, it's time to take over. On Apex Legends, I think they're powered by UFO Gaming token. Wow, this is new. Secondly, we are excited to announce UFO Gaming partnered with Horizon Union to acquire an esports team, Top Dogs. So they have now acquired this team called Top Dogs, and this is the first esports partnership that they've done, and it's the first of many. Along with our developing on our own ecosystem, UFO Gaming focuses on having a robust esports presence in some of the most popular titles by 2022. We are intent on recognizing and support the grassroots of a competitive potential while establishing a presence in the esports industry. So they're starting to make their voice known. Their article was posted on their Twitter as well. If you guys want to give them a follow, go ahead. I'd really recommend it. And the roadmap for Ufo Gaming honestly is one of the best ones I've seen in a while. I'm going to show you the other ones for the ones I have later, but this is what just happened. So they just released Q4 2021. They released their light paper. They have a new partnership reveal, and they went on to a tier 1 centralized exchange. So this is now for right now, Q1 2022. So for January and February, they're going to be launching Cosmos event, starting their staking, NFT mining, the marketplace unveil, Super Galactic game is coming out, their beta is coming out, the play to PvE multiplayer with co-op with friends, so the play to earn with by yourself and with other friends, the PvP, and the virtual land. This is all coming out in the next month, guys. So meaning this project is gonna skyrocket in a month or two, and if you guys miss out on it, then you're just gonna miss out ultimately. And this is just phase 2. What they're gonna do for the rest of the year: Dark Metaverse launch, game studio partnership, new games launched through the Ufo Gaming platform, fractal Metaverse decks, additional tier 1 exchange. So they're just going to be getting bigger and bigger over the year, guys. And ultimately, this project is going to be something that you want to look out for, because this is going to make you money. You can see right here, they're partnered with Chainlink. They're partnered with Kadena. Yes, guys, these are the Kadena miners. So you know the price of UFO is going to absolutely explode in the future. And they're also partnered with Polygon. Like, come on, guys. You know about the IPO of 1559 that just came out for Polygon. This project UFO is absolutely going to explode. Right now, the price is down 24% for the day. And for the year, we are down a whopping 50-60%. The price, the all-time high was about, I don't know how high that is, but it's 4067, and we're sitting at a 4011 right now. And honestly, this would probably be one of the best times for you guys. We're at 30. We're down 63% for 30 days. What does that tell you? What does this tell you? I showed you guys something called the Wall Street psychology of markets. And does this look very similar right now? Where are we? We're in the anger stage right now, guys. We've gone down. We're hitting the depression stage, and we're about to rally back up. So if you guys are excited for UFO, please drop a like on that video or on this video and subscribe. Let's get on to the next one. So the second one I want to talk about is Altura. Altura is going to be one of the biggest ones for the future due to the metaverse. Altura provides an infrastructure for the future in-game items and digital assets and the metaverse. Meaning, Altura is going to be one of the biggest platforms for NFTs. They're building the future of NFTs. Altura provides tools and infrastructure for developing to create and integrate smart NFTs into their video games and applications. With Altura, developers can program dynamic functionality into their NFTs. Meaning, imagine a game sword that gets stronger every time you use to slay a monster. Smart NFTs have properties that can be changed based on the game's certain conditions. Meaning, smart NFTs. So Altura is bridging the gap between crypto and gaming NFTs. Or crypto gaming and NFTs. For example, if you have a sword in crypto game and you need that sword to be tradable, or you need it to be tradable on an NFT market, and why do you ask? What if the game gets upgraded? Let's say you want to use that exact sword in a different game. You need to be able to trade this sword with other players to earn your revenue. And this is why Altura exists, where they can create their smart NFTs on different metaverses for the players to use. And this project is going to be absolutely crazy in the future. It currently is down, it's down a crazy amount, but that ultimately just tells me that it's going to explode once Bitcoin goes back up. So this is Q4 2021 and Q1 2022. So this is right now pretty much, like December, January. They're launching their fully fledged smart NFTs, introducing the Oracle-based lock boxes. They're going to be doing further research and developing, strategizing a marketing adoption plan. Q2, Q3 2022, so March to about September, launch our own simple game that utilizes our NFTs. So they're going to be creating their own game. They're going to have other indie game developers adopt Altura into their games, and then future development into integration, and then further adoption, have many major gaming companies utilize our SDTs and APIs, yada yada. And yeah, so The potential for Altura is very, very good. And if you guys are looking for a great project to get into to hold for the next year or two, I'd really recommend Altura. This is Altura's Twitter. They have currently 121k followers. They post daily. They just had a new partnership with Age of Tanks, so they're going to be using their new smart NFTs. And that's going to be ultimately very good for Altura, providing bullish news, sorry guys, kind of got caught off there. They're going to be integrating into new different games. They're already integrating into... See, look at this, guys. They're already growing with major partners. They got Polka City. They got Chainlink, like Baby Swap. This project is going to moon. And if you guys don't get in it now, then it's just going to be too late. Because in a year or two, the price right now it's about 9 cents right now. In about a year or two, I could see at least 100 to 200xing, because this project has already seen an all-time high of 52 cents and a little try to break that all-time high of 46 cents, and it's had a crazy slump since then. It's about 9 cents, guys. It was at 50 cents. What does that tell you? Looking at this psychology, it's the exact same trend, guys. If you guys are looking for another project to get into, Altura would be your best bet, because these smart NFTs are going to take the world by storm, and they're partnering with a lot of new projects. So, Altura, guys. Thirdly, we have D-Race. D-Race is a play-to-earn horse racing metaverse where you can participate in horse races, breed NFTs, breed NFT horses, and make them with unique characteristics, and build your own NFT hippodome and make profit while you're doing it. So D-Race, this is the type of coin you want for the long term, what you want in 10 years. This is the crypto that you want to just put money into and not look at it for the next 5 to 10 years, because this project will absolutely do you no wrong. It provides you with online horse gambling, which is literally one of the biggest things that have been around in human history for the last 200 300 years. Everyone loves watching, 1,000 years. What am I saying? 200 300 years, 1,000 years. And they just released their roadmap for 2022, which is very, very bullish, and I'm going to be going into it with you guys. And this is honestly just expanding on what people already love to watch: beautiful horses run, and also while they can gamble. So about D-Race. D-Race is a complete NFT horse racing ecosystem where you can participate in horse races, breed NFT horses, unique characteristics, yada yada. So you can have one-of-a-kind NFT horses with both different traits, rarity, performance, cooldown time, and visual appearance. Horse races. Horse races are based off RNG technology. The winner gets all % of the participant fees and additional prizes. Horse breeding. Correspond NFT horse genetics, breeding via genetic algorithm, and the Ethereum smart contract. So you can pretty much breed other horses together and create your ultimate badass horse if that's what you're looking for. And this is the Hippodome. This is your racing place, or where your horses are going to be racing. And this is their team. They're a fully doxed team, and they are looking bullish. They are looking to the moon, guys. They're not just in this to make money. They are really they're in this project to win it, if you guys know what I mean. So this is their project roadmap for 2022, and it's what they've been just doing ever since. The roadmap is still pretty new. They still have to release their new one for 2022, but ultimately, guys, this project is really it's really good. It looks like it's just springing up for a nice little breakout. You can see when Bitcoin was at 70K, around there, it had a high of around $10.33, and we could honestly see that back again. Look, we're at a whopping price of $2.64. Wow, this project has slumped, but it's never too late, guys. Like I showed you again, the Wall Street psychology of market cycle. This is a very good buy. And lastly, we have Secret Finance. Secret Finance is going to be one of the biggest cryptos I can tell you in the next 5 years, because it focuses on the things that people mainly want in crypto. No one wants to show the world what they're doing with their money. No one wants to show others what they're buying. What you do is what you do. You do your dirty work alone, guys. You got to remember that. CeFi could allow apps to create security-driven projects, meaning they could have the most secure apps and partnerships in the crypto space just using their app called Secret Thing. And it's the first running resistant cross-chain and privacy-first AMM secured by the Secret Network. It is built off principles using usability and privacy. SecretSwap provides a foundation of the open, accessible financial system of the future. Our primary focus is to protect users from a value extracting players by focusing on privacy, a basic human gift. SecretSwap is a liquidity hub that connects other ecosystems for a maximum user protection and access to assets. So, CeFi is ultimately protecting you from others from hacking you, for others from knowing how much you have, and ultimately it's just one of the best ways that you're going to be able to send and trade money, because usually this CeFi swap or Secret Swap follows the price of its brother called, or this is what it's called Secret Finance. This is the price. It's currently 5 cents right now, but it every single time it goes up, you can see a trend where it follows this is what it's built off, the Secret ecosystem. And you can see that every time Secret goes up, and look right here, Friday, January 22, 11. You go down here. Friday, 22, 11. You see how it went up a little bit here, guys? It follows it ever so slightly. You can see how it dropped. You can go back to a year chart. You can go to a year chart. You can see that when Secret goes up, it goes up as well. So in December, it was down. Towards December, it went up. December it was down. Towards the end of December it went up. You can see here it followed the same chart around here, October. And ultimately this guy, sorry if I keep saying ultimately, it's a word I really like, but this is going to be one of the best cryptos for you guys to get into in this space if you were trying to be a millionaire by the age of 30 or by the year 2030. And Secret Finance is going to help you do that because it's very new still. It's only been out for at least less than a year now. So it's one of those projects that you could just sit on for the next 5 to 10 years and it can make you a lot of money, guys. And you're able to swap and trade through all different cryptos with it, and it's going to be secure as well. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you found any value in this information I've provided you with today. It's been the Cruising Casper. Have a great day. I'm out.